morning, students. How are you all? Fine. Okay. Let us start our grammar course once again. And the topic is conjunctions. Now you will come to know this new word as conjunction means junction. Whenever two things you are joining, that is called junction. है ना? Where two things or sentences meet. But if you want to say कि I am going, but जैसे आप हिंदी में बोलते हैं मैं जाना चाहता था पर मैं नहीं जा पाया. सो पर इज हेयर बट. सो मैं इसलिए वहाँ नहीं गया क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है. तो क्योंकि, बिकॉज, और, एंड, बिकॉज, बट. दीज 4 वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड कंजक्शंस एज दे जॉइन 2 सेंटेंसेस. ठीक है. आई लाइक आइसक्रीम एंड ऑरेंजेस, है ना. So I like oranges, I like ice cream. So why to repeat so long sentences? Now we can say simple like this. I like ice cream and oranges. So it is completed and meaning is correct but short. So I want to buy fruits. I want to buy vegetables. So instead of that we can say I want to buy fruits and vegetables. आपने एक सेंटेंस में एंड लगा के 2 सेंटेंस की प्लेस बचा ली. ओके. आपका काम शॉर्ट में हो गया, है ना. और वेदर यू टेक कॉफी और टी. सो आपसे चॉइस पूछा है ना. तो और, बट, बिकॉज, एंड इज यूज टू जॉइन 2 सेंटेंसेस. सो आप बोलते ना मैं एग्जाम में अच्छा कर लेता पर मैं बीमार था. सो यहाँ आपको 2 सेंटेंस अलग अलग थे पर आपने पर लगा के उसको ज्वाइन कर दिया. सो इन दिस वे इन इंग्लिश वी से कंजक्शंस. सी एग्जाम्पल. सीमा हैज़ फ्रूट्स ऑन हर टेबल. सीमा हैज़ वेजिटेबल्स ऑन हर टेबल. नाउ वाई टू राइट टू सेंटेंस सीमा सीमा सीमा? इट डजेंट लुक नाइस. सो वी आर मेकिंग द सेंटेंस लाइक दिस. सीमा हैज़ fruits and vegetables on her table. The food was tasty. It was costly. 2 sentences. The food was tasty but costly. Tasty था पर costly था. Zahir can eat a cake. Zahir can eat an ice cream. So यहाँ choice है. So we can say Zahir can eat a cake or an ice cream. Amit did not go for a trip. He broke his arm. Now what will come here? Because. Amit did not go for the trip because क्योंकि he broke his arm. So the words and, but, or, because connect 2 or more words or sentences. They are known as conjunctions. There are many more conjunctions, but you can read them in higher classes. In second, it is enough to read this 4. Okay. So what is the definition of conjunctions? Words used to join phrases, words or sentences. They are known as conjunctions. So only simple exercises of it is on page 64. I am going to read. Now 2 sentences. Just see, observe the sentences. Sonali wants some biscuits. Sonali wants some chips. Now we have to join these 2 sentences. Why to write again and again Sonali, Sonali, Sonali? So make it simple. Sonali wants some biscuits and chips. Only use of and 2 sentence का आपने 1 frame कर दिया. Roni didn't like the shirt. He took it. But you have to take care of which conjunction is proper for the sentence. Now see, Roni didn't like the shirt and he took it. So it is wrong. Roni didn't like the shirt but took it. पर उसने उठा लिया. Akshay will go to Mumbai. He wants to meet his sister. So what will come? Proper conjunction because. Akshay will go to Mumbai. Why he want to go Mumbai? Because he wants to meet his sister. Proper. We will give you this conjunction. Abhi you are very small. We will give conjunction in the bracket. And with the help of that conjunction, you can frame the sentences. Don't worry. Kavita knows Alice Kavita knows Deepa. Where two sentences are same, add and frame the sentence. Kavita knows Alice and Deepa. Simple. दोनों सेंटेंस सेम दिख रहे हैं, सो ओनली एड. और जहाँ चॉइस है वहाँ और. जहाँ आपको रीज़न देना है क्योंकि, तो बिकॉज. यू मे हैव एन एप्पल, यू मे हैव एन ऑरेंज. सो यू मे हैव एन एप्पल और एन ऑरेंज. Anandi is thin, she is very strong. So Anandi is thin but she is very strong. वो thin तो है पर strong है. So here but is proper conjunction. Now B में choices is given in the blue box. You have to frame and complete the sentences. First is Ramu is poor but honest. वो poor है but honest है. Tina did not go to school. Why? Because she was ill. So here proper is because. Parrots can talk but dogs cannot. Sudha can go by bus. Here choice is there. So or by train. So here or will come. Sarla went to the river. क्यों गई थी? And bathed in it. और बोलते ना और. That is and. Sejal did badly in the exam because he did not work hard. So in this way we have solved the exercises. In this chapter very less exercises are given because the topic is very simple. Only you have to join the two sentences with the help of conjunctions, and we will give you conjunction in the bracket. You use that conjunction and frame two sentences. I will see the video. Complete your book exercises and practice more and more to get the concept clear. Okay? Have a nice day. Goodbye.